National cyclist Laurie Sharpe signed a one-year contract with German cycling team Canyon Swarm Generation, becoming the first Jamaican cyclist to sign with a team in Europe. Sharpe first came to national prominence as a triathlete, copying several awards, including the RGR Gleaner VMBS Youth Award. 21-year-old Laurie Sharpe is one of 8 women selected from a pool of 239 cyclists from 62 countries, with Germany, Hungary, the United Kingdom, Malaysia, Paraguay, and Namibia being the other countries with representatives. The contract, which takes effect on January 1 next year, will see Sharpe participating in combined training camps with the World Tour riders as of January 16. The former St. Andrew High School track and field athlete reacted to the development.
Well, I'm obviously elated, excited, overjoyed, all those adjectives. And I'm definitely looking forward to what's to come next year. I do think that this is a step in the right direction, not just for me, but for local cycling, for regional cycling, as I do think that this is representative of some positivity in the cycling community, and I believe that we can just look forward to bigger and better things as time progresses.
Sharpe, who is presently reading for a degree in sports science at the University of the West Indies Cave Hill campus, pointed to how her attachment will improve her cycling.
For me personally, I think this opportunity will provide me with a platform for greater exposure, greater development of cycling experience, and just my holistic development as a cyclist. So I'm definitely looking forward to what's to come.
Sharpe will be based in Germany but will be traveling across Europe during her attachment. She's expected to leave the island after the Christmas holidays pending visa approval.